Well, if you want to identify duplicates, it's so easy. You just need to use the function getdupes from the library janitor, and it's so quickly. Well, we are using the data frame called asistencias. Then you write the pipe with Control Shift and the key M, and finally you just use getdupes. You can write the names of the files or fields that you are going to use, or the columns that you are going to use to identify the duplicates. But if you want to identify duplicates at all the table, you just don't write any column or any field. Well, I hope this video could be very useful for you, and I invite you to subscribe. Thank you so much.